Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to look at your XAU USD gold chart, and many of you have requested this. We're going to apply the breakfast indicator over this, and we're going to find a setup in this chart. If you remember in the guide video, I told you before the time zone, we have to first study what structure is going on, and only then we can plan for a setup. So before the time zone, so basically time zone is from 9:45 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. This is not Indian Standard Time. This is New York Standard Time. We have changed the time zone from UTC to -4 to New York Standard Time. Now, before the time zone, if you look at the structure right now, it is a very clear impulsive pattern. You see from the bottom right now sideways, and then it goes very good rally, another sideways pattern, almost a third wave completes here, another pullback, and then final terminal leg on the top. This is a terminal leg for sure. There's going to be a correction. It can be a sideways pattern or it can be a deep correction. So what do I feel right now is what do I prefer is that I see one of the two options. The first option is that there is a correction going to start, comes into the time zone, goes for a little bit lower high and then comes down fast. Second option is nothing but I prefer that market completes a top in the time zone and then starts a deep correction. So one of the two options I'm watching, and basically I'm looking for a short setup. All right, guys, right now the market has already fallen before the time zone. Now it's a pullback in the market. You see there is a one three-wave pattern and then a fast move on top. I'm still not looking for a long setup. I'm looking only for a short setup because the swing low has not yet been retested fully. So in case market goes sideways, there's no problem. I'll leave it. I'll just look for another pattern. But right now, I'm still looking for a short setup in the market. Reason again, like I told you, the swing low has not yet been broken. This pressure signal has come, but still I'm ignoring it. I'm looking for a short setup only because the short structure is not yet completed. Right now, if you look at the market, it has fallen away, given a good short opportunity exactly from the price macro, upper price macro market has fallen. We see a short signal. Also, a fair value gap has been formed in the price macro. This is nothing but your silver bullet set. Again, I missed the entry on time. First time I missed it. Now, second time again it became a little late. So, in case price comes back in the fair value gap, I will take a second time. I'll take a short take profit. I'll just put it a little bit small only because the swing low here. Target is small. 90 is enough. Anyway, so I'll just wait for another time the price to come back into the fair value gap. I'll take another short setup. Right. So right now I have taken two short setups here. Very simple from the top, from the price macro, upper price macro, we had a good rejection. Not only that, we got your simple silver bullet setup here. We got a pressure signal as well as your fair value gap. I've entered here two times here in this zone, this bearish fair value gap. If you look at it, this bearish fair value gap with the price macro pressure signal, simple silver bullet again. I have nothing else to do. There's no second thoughts about it. I just have to leave it and either take the SL or let the market do its job and give me the profit. It's very simple, nothing complicated, no sophistication here. We just study the market structure and use our formula. All right, guys, this is all just a small scalp. I booked the profit here. Simple, is not a very sophisticated system. It's not a very tough system. Like I told you before, you just have to connect market structure to your SMC. This is how I look at the market in the global markets. I found a valid setup here, a short setup, silver bullet setup. I can just leave it here. See this price keeping go down further. But again, my target was only a little bit, took a small scalp. That is all, is my entire goal. This is just a small example, guys. You can also practice this every day. Now, breakfast indicator is helpful for you to find a valid setups. Again, this is not a very complicated thing. You have to study the market structure. There's no other way. You see from the top, it came exactly in a three-way pattern to this low because the previous rise was a pump in the market and then entire pump got retested. That's all. That is why main reason I did not look for a long setup. I looked only for a short setup in the market. That's all. Right. That's how you can filter out your trades using wave theory and use SMC for exact high precision entries like this in the short fair value gap. High precision entries can be taken. That's all, guys. Nothing much. This is just a small demonstration, and I just had a small doubt. Quantity is 30 here in your TradingView demo account by default. What quantity are you taking, and what quantity do you prefer? I'll apply it in my demo account, and I'll make the videos more realistic and more relatable. Thank you, guys, and take care. I'll see you in the next video.